I want you to see the screen and let me know if you can see any sort of a pattern or something. What does the gray highlighted values actually indicate? Yes, Om Sumant. Others will think. Okay, Om Sumant will answer now. Others will also parallelly think. Yes. The highlighted ones, can you just read out the number for me?
1, 4, 9, 16, 25,
Yes.
36, 49, 64, 81, 100.
Very good. Super. Okay. Can you think of any pattern in this? Why these numbers alone are highlighted? Yes.
Because
So yesterday I told you how to use this chart. Yes.
Because 1 1 are 1, 2 2 are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100.
Super, very good. See, so there is a pattern. So the squares are, when you square a number, what happens? We multiply the same number twice. Yes? So very good, Suman. Can you also read what is given in the words that are given here?
The ability to recognize and create patterns. The ability to recognize and create patterns helps us to make predictions based on our observations. This is an important skill in math.
Okay, yes, thank you. So, thank you, Da. Please mute your call. Okay, children, see here. So, these highlighted numbers actually gives us a pattern. So, the chart that you have prepared is not just numbers. Okay, you can use this in many ways, and that is what we are going to do today. Okay, so those who are having the chart ready, please keep it, and let's start with one first activity. Okay, look at this chart, children. Look at this. Can I have Kezaya? Can I have Kezaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. See here, can you tell me 48 number is repeated how many times? Can you tell me how many times the number 48 is repeated in this chart?
4 times.
Very good. And what do they mean? Do you know? Why it's been highlighted 4 times? Can you guess? Yes, because? Yes.
Because 8 6 are 48.
Very good.
6 8 are 48.
Very good.
Then 4 12 are 48.
Fantastic. Very good. So the highlighted ones, we can see that it is marked in green color, children. The green colored values are 48. It represents multiples. It represents the multiples. Very clearly we know that 4 times 12 is 48. I hope you all remember how to do that. You select the value from the column, and also you will select it from the row. Okay, you can also select it from the row. So this way we can find out what are the multiples. Okay, thank you, ma. Please mute your call. Hariharan.
Ma'am?
Yes, Hariharan is there. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Hariharan is there. Yes, Hariharan. Can you tell me how many times 12 is repeated?
6 times.
Wonderful. So can you tell me quickly what are the multiples of getting 12?
I don't know, ma'am.
Tell what will give you answer as 12. See here in this board I have marked 12. 12 times 1 is 12. Then yes?
6. No. 4 3s are.
Very good.
3 4s are.
Very good.
2 6 are.
Very good.
12 1s are.
Very good. And also 12 one time or 1 time 12 will give you the same answer. Yes, thank you Hariharan, very good. Yes, Srinidhi, you had a doubt?
Ma'am, this chart has till 12 table, but what I made was only till 10 table.
It's okay. It's okay. This is only for finding out purpose, so don't worry. Okay, it's only for today's activity. You can just add one more line to it if it's possible. No, just an extra 2 numbers for the column and row. Okay, that way you can add it up. Yes?
But I cut it into a exact square, ma'am, so I cannot add a row.
Okay, then don't worry, don't worry. If it's a 10 square, don't worry. But is that what I shared and told you to do yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay. Fine, children. Who is this? Ma, please tell your name and tell, na?
Ma'am, ma'am, I did only till 10, ma'am.
No problem, children. Don't worry. This is only for your activity purpose. Now just tell.
Ma'am?
Yes, those who have space, please add. No issues. If you cannot add also, Yista.
Ma'am, I realized something.
Okay, now can I call somebody? Yes.
I realized something. It's showing, I feel like it's showing 12 times table. Because after 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 12 is 26, 4 times 12 is 48, 5 times 12 is 16.
Wonderful. Very good, very good. Superb. Wait, I'm going to call the next student. I will give everybody chance. Yes, you have a doubt? Let's, okay. What? Ma'am, please mute your call, children. Yes, ma. Okay, now I want to ask Rahul. Can Rahul please unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me how many times 72 is repeated?
4 times.
Very good. Can you tell me the multiples for that? What and what should I multiply to get the product as 22?
6 times 12. 8 times
Very
9.
good.
9 times 8.
Good.
12 times 6.
Good. Fantastic. Very good. See, so that is what we are trying to get from this chart. Yes, thank you so much, Rahul. Now can I have Tanishka? Are you there? Tanishka?
Ma'am?
Yes, Tanishka. Now look at the chart again. Who is this?
Ma'am. Tanishka, ma'am.
Tanishka, right? Yes, good. From this chart, can you tell me how many times 20 is repeated? It's not marked here. You are going to find out. Others also from your chart, find out how many times 20 is repeated.
Ma'am, 4.
Can you tell me?
4.
Very good. And can you tell me the multiples for that?
Okay, ma'am. 1 sec. Yeah. 2 into 10.
Very good.
10 into 2.
Good. Then?
Oh, okay,
2
ma'am.
times 10.
Then 5 into 4.
5 times 4.
4 into 5. Yeah, that's
Very
it.
good. Very good. Yes, good. So like this, we can select any number in this chart and find out if it's repeated and what is its multiples. Okay, so this way we can also use your chart. Now I have some challenges for you. Okay, look at this. Using the multiplication chart, I want you to complete the pattern. Okay, there is a pattern. Find out where 56 is.
Sure, ma'am.
In the
Okay,
first
ma'am.
phase, all of you use the, yes, very good. All of you are having the chart. Please quickly find out where 56 is. Yes, I want Ashmita to answer this.
Ma'am, it's in 8 table.
Wait. I will please give a chance to everybody, child. Okay, Ashmita will come. Yes. Ashmita,
Ma'am?
are you there?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes. Where is 56? Others, please wait. Please mute your call.
Ma'am,
Yes, 56 is given.
Ma'am, 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, ma'am.
Okay. And then they are giving us 72. So is there a number in between in your chart? Can you trace? And then it should be followed by some number and then you should get 88. Can you all figure that out? Okay, let's see. 56. I'll take this chart so that it's a little clear. Okay. So we have 56. And then they're giving us 72. Right? So if you can see, 72 is here. So what is the missing number? Yes, Ashmita, what is the missing number? Ashmita, are you there?
Ma'am, 64. Am I audible?
Very good. Yes. 64, very good. Then what is the next number? Very good. So they are using the 8th table. Is it clear? They are using what? 8 tables. See, can you all see here? 56. It is followed by 64. And then it will become 72. Then you have 80. Then it becomes 88. And then what is the next number? Can I have Srinidhi?
Ma'am, this is Madesh, ma'am.
Yes, Madesh.
Ma'am, I don't understand this, ma'am.
Okay, see, there is a series, okay, 56 and then 72 is given, correct? Using this multiplication chart, what we did right now, see here, I'm just using the same chart, okay? We have to first identify where 56 is. Okay, yeah. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the information that is given is 72. The question they have also given us 72. But in between we have to find. There is an equal interval between the numbers. Okay, see here. Can you see the screen, everybody? What is the equal interval, children? Okay, the equal interval from 56 to 64, 64 to 72, 72 to 80, 80 to 88 is 8. Okay, so the whole of this row is representing 8 tables. So what will come after 88? Simply add 8 to the 88, or we are given
96, ma'am.
Wonderful. You can also find that by multiplying 8 times 12, which will give you 96. Yes, instead of, I'm repeatedly adding 8 here. Can you see? 56 plus 8, 64 plus 8. So repeated addition can be simplified by doing multiplication. So 8, yeah. So that is what we are going to do. Now tell me what is the next number. Can I have Srinidhi for that?
104, ma'am.
Superb.
Oh, ma'am.
Where is Srinidhi? Madesh, thank you. I will call you. Okay? Yes, Da. Tell me, Da. What is the next two numbers?
Next
Others
number
also, I hope you are understanding.
Ma'am, we will write and send.
No need to write. It's an activity. Just enjoy. That's all. Yes, Da.
104.
Very good. And what is the next one?
After that, 4, 112.
Very good. Super. Understood?
Actually, ma'am, in my chart, I don't have, but still I'm able to tell.
Good. Very good. Okay, good. Yes. Thank you, Srinidhi. Please meet your call. Can I have Madhuvanti? Madhuvanti, are you there? Madhuma, quickly come. Yes, tell me for the next one.
Ma'am, can
What
you hear
is
me?
the... Yes, I can hear you, child. You can hear us?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, now I can hear you.
Can you hear me? Yes, ma. For the second one, please tell me. The number is starting from 36, children. All of you, please find out where is 36 when it should be followed by 48. In your chart, please quickly find out 36 followed by 48. Is there anybody who doesn't have the chart? Ma'am, see the thing what we are doing on the screen. Yes. Please wait, ma. I can't hear you, ma. Okay, the number is 36 followed by 48. Okay, remember 36 was given and then it is followed by...
Ma'am, 48.
Very good, very good.
48 and 60.
Is this who is this that I'm talking to now?
ma'am.
Is it in 6 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's
Very good, children. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, it's in the
Okay. See, children, 36 is followed by 48. It is 6 table. Very good. Others, please give chance to all the children. Only the children who are talking are always talking. It is not correct. Everybody should get chance. Don't you think so? Even if you have doubts, you will wait. Because I know I'm handling around 36 children here and only 4 of them are actively participating. Okay? I want to give equal chance to everybody. So Madhuvanti alone will answer this. Others will do it. If you have done it, great. You can move on to the next question also. Yes, be louder, Madhuvanti.
Ma'am, after 48, 60 will come.
60? How you got 60?
Ma'am, after
Yes?
48.
60, okay da, okay. Yes ma. 60 correct da. Good. Did you all understand? Very good,
Ma'am,
very good.
I didn't understand.
Super. See, this is 12 table. This is 36 is then, the difference between the two numbers is 12. Very good, child. Very good, Madhuvanti. So you get 60.
78 will come.
Very good. Good. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Okay. When other children are talking, please listen to them.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 72 only I have written.
Madhvanti is telling 78.
No, 72. Okay, wait. Let us check this with the table so that you are not confused. All of you please see here. Let's start from this 12. Okay, so the first one is 36. I'm doing it in the last line. Can you see? 36 followed by 48 followed by 60, 72, 84, 96. Okay, you are all able to follow that? So look at the pattern. Yes, so suppose they are just going to give us a series of numbers. We can also consider what is their pattern. Yes, did you all complete the second line? So let me call out Rukshika. No, don't write anything, children. It's only an activity so that you know how to use the multiplication chart. Okay. Next class, I'll give a Google form based on the multiplication chart so you know how to use it.
Ma'am, what is the homework, ma'am?
Yes, Rukshika. Is it where? Can you please wait? Yes, Rukshika. What is the number in the third one? The starting number given is
28.
Quickly come, children. Quickly come. 28. Very good. Can you tell me what? Please mute your call. Somebody's thing is very loud. Others, please mute your call, ma. Yes, 28. Can you tell me what is the series trying to suggest? See, it starts with 28 and then you have 40. There are two missing numbers in between. Yes, so let's go to the multiplication chart. See here, they have given us 20 and then they have given us 40 and there are 28 and then that is jumping to.
Ma'am.
Yes, can anybody find out? Yes.
Ma'am, I got it.
Ma'am, it's in.
After 28.
Good. What is it?
After 32, it's 33.
Very good. Superb. So what tables are we using?
Four tables.
Very good. So it is very good. Four tables is what we are using. Super, ma. Super. Very good. Okay. So we are using 4 tables for the third row. Okay.
Yes,
so 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. So 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay. And so on. When you fill it, you will get
44,
48,
52,
and
52.
50. Very good.
Ma'am, next one also I found it. Ma'am, can I do the next one?
Do not. All of you can do the next one. Yes. I am going to ask Hanshika. Hanshika, can you tell me the next one? Quickly come, children.
Ma'am.
Hanshika, are you there? Yes, ma. Tell me what is the series?
Ma'am, this is Srimati. Ma'am, I found the answer.
Wait, please wait. We will give chance to everybody. Hanshika, are you there? Srimati, it's very nice you have finished. But I will just give a chance to Hanshika this time. I will ask a lot of questions throughout the session. Don't worry. Everybody will get a chance. Okay, Hanshika is not coming. So, Srimati, can you tell the answer?
Ma'am, it is 7 tables.
Wow, fantastic. Good job. She found out it is 7 tables. Very good.
Ma'am, this is
How
7 tables,
much?
ma'am.
Yes, please wait. Srimati will finish it. Yes. Tell Da. After 35, what is the number we should get?
42.
Very good. 7 times 6 is 42. Yes.
49.
Very good. Yes,
50.
next number.
56.
Wow, very good. Very good. Then
70.
very good. And
77.
super. Okay. Did you all understand? Good. Very good. I hope all of you have understood this. So let's have a look at it in the chart. Look at the chart here, children. Okay, when you take the 7 tables, look, the 7 tables starts with 28 followed by 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70 and 77. Okay, so this way we can also understand the patterns. There is an equal interval of 7. Okay. Now look at this pattern on the screen, children. Can I have Sanjana? Are you there, Sanjana? Okay, can I have Sai Savit? Quickly, we'll finish it off. Okay, just give me 2 minutes and then we can finish the session. Come quickly. Sai Savit, are you there? Sai Savit. What is happening? Sai Savit, very good, Rahul Narayan. Yes, Madesh. Yes, superb. Many have answered. Very nice. Good, Natasha. Superb. Very good, Sri Hari. Yes. Good. Many are giving the answers. Okay, children, please listen to the class. So 7 times 3 is 21. And what is 7 times 70? So see, there is a box under the question which says multiplying with 10, 100 or 1000. All we have to do is add the same number of 0 to the end of the product. Okay, the end of the product. So every time we are going to simply multiply only the numbers without the 0 and simply take the 0 and add it. So this one, okay, we're just going to bring the 0 here. We're simply going to add the 0 to the end of the product. Add means I'm not saying go and do the addition. I'm saying write the 0 at the end. Okay. Again, 3 times 700 is, 3 times 7 is 21. There are 2 zeros after the 7. Simply bring the 2 zeros to the answer. Okay. Similarly, for this also we have 3 zeros. So bring the 3 zeros here. Okay. Simply bring the 3 zeros here. Okay, I have just taken the 3 zeros and I brought it to this place. Okay. I hope you've all understood how to do this. I'm still explaining something. I'll finish and I will let you know. Okay. Got it, children? So here is another pattern. Okay. So I'll share this. What I want you to do is, I want you to do the homework problem. I'll send a PDF, children. You can see it in the Google Classroom and find it out. Okay? Is it clear, everybody?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Thank you so much, children. Okay, ma. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah. No, you don't have to write anything, children. Only the homework part what I'm sending you can write.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, bye. Yeah, ma. Bye, child. Yes, you have any doubt?
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, when I was in group 1, ma'am, you told to write all the activity that you give to today, ma'am, in this group. So I wrote the things what you said today, ma'am.
What I asked you to write? Already you finished, no? In group 1 we finished already.
Yes, ma'am.